Around the World is a new paper pad from our friends at Stamperia. It is 8 inches square, and let me show you what's going on inside. As you can expect, there's going to be double-sided papers, so there's the inside of the cover, and then this. And those of you who love travel, who are just looking for more things to have for that theme, this is perfect. Now there are also 25 cutouts. You can see there are some here, and the back side is a useful paper, so in case you don't need those. Here we have the hemispheres. Look, all of those postcards and letters, and then you've got all of these postcards, just really beautiful, very vintage styling. And on the back side, they are a plainer version, so you have something to use with everything. Here we have some things of Paris, and again, you've got a beautiful sheet on the back. Here we have sailing and nautical. Really fun. I love the old-fashioned artwork that plays so well. And then on the back side, you have another sheet. Here's more of the 25 cutouts. You see the envelope right here. Again, on the back side, you've got an all-over pattern. Now, we also have these postcards that are more plain, so you can do stamping, add dazzles, whatever you like. On the back side, there's this very distressed-looking text. We have all of the continents shown here, and on the back, another version in blue on blue. And as you can see, again, very vintage, very beautiful. And in addition to the 8x8 paper, there are 2 rice papers. So the first one is this. Now these are A4 size, which you can think of as a version of 8.5 by 11. So you can see that. Lots of artwork in here. And the other one is this. And so again, you have the maps, everything's that are perfect for travel. Around the World is the theme, and it works perfectly with papers, cutouts, and rice paper.